Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of the most effective tools for trading breakouts, and that tool is the Breakout Box Indicator. If you struggle with identifying support and resistance zones or spotting breakout opportunities, then this indicator could make your trading much easier. Okay, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss out on this game-changing strategy. All right, I'm going to add the breakout box indicator to the chart right now. It's a custom indicator and you have to download it from a third-party site. We've talked about how to download or how to install custom indicators, to the chart, to your MT4. We talked about how to install custom indicators to your MT4 in a previous video, so you might want to check that out if you're confused on how to do that. All right. Now, what exactly is the breakout box indicator for MT4? This indicator automatically identifies support and resistance zones and draws a rectangle box around them, as you can see. This makes it much easier to spot areas where price is likely to break out. Okay, one important thing to note is that this indicator works best on lower time frames. Yeah, um specifically the H1, the 1 hour time frame, right, and below. Okay, it does not display breakout boxes on time frames higher than H1. All right, making it ideal for scalpers, day traders, and intraday traders. All right, so the breakout box indicator makes technical analysis much faster by visually marking areas where price has a high probability of breaking out. So for beginners, this means no more struggling to manually identify support and resistance levels. Yeah. And for experienced traders, this tool saves time and enhances trading efficiency. All right. Once the indicator draws a breakout box, all you need to do is wait for price to approach and react to these levels before entering a trade. Okay. Now, let us just talk about how to actually use this indicator to take trades. The first strategy is trend confirmation breakout. All right. So, first of all, you have to identify the market trend, whether it is trending downwards or trending upwards. You should identify the prevailing market trend. All right. So, after identifying the prevailing market trend, you wait for price to break out of the box and close in the direction of the trend. So in this particular example, we can see that we had a bearish trend. Okay. So now, once this box was identified, all we had to do was wait for price to break below it. Once price breaks below the box, it has to close, the candle has to close in the direction of the trend. So because this is a bearish trend, the candle must close below the box. If it was a buy trend, the candle should close above the box. Okay. So after price has closed beyond the box, if it's a sell trend, you can enter a sell trade after price closes below the box. If it is a buy trade, let's see if we can find an okay. The indicator does not go far back. All right, I would have looked for a bullish example. All right, okay. Well, I think I can use this as an example, although this trend seems to be kind of shaky. Yeah. So in this buy example now, once the price closes above the box, then you can enter a buy trade. In this example, once price closes below the box, you can enter a sell trade. All right. Now, the second strategy is retest and rejection confirmation. Okay. It's quite a higher probability setup. All right. The second method is a more cautious approach that focuses on getting a high probability trade setup. So here is how it works. Yeah. All you have to do is you wait for a candlestick to break out of the indicators box. Then you watch for the next candlestick to retest the box. Let us zoom in a bit. Okay. Let's zoom in a bit. You're going to get what I'm talking about. Now, can you see this candle? Can you see what it did? After this one closed below the box, Can you see that this one we tested it? So this second strategy is trying to increase your chances of success. All right. You have to wait for you have to wait for a candlestick to break out of the indicator's box first. Then after that, you have to watch for the next candle to retest the box and show a sign of rejection. All right. There should be a sign at least. Then if the second candlestick confirms the rejection, you can enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. So in this case, we had a retest here. Well, this particular candle did not exactly show us a clear sign of rejection. So the next candle was what helped us to confirm that the move is likely to continue. So this would have been a good place to enter a sell in the direction of the breakout, okay, in the direction of the trend. Now let us look at this example here. Yes, we had a breakout, and yes, we had a retest, and guess what? You can see this strong rejection candle. So this rejection candle was a good sign. So this would have been a good place to enter a buy trade. Okay, so this second strategy requires that you wait for a retest and a confirmation candlestick pattern before you go ahead to enter your trade in the direction of the trend. All right, in the direction of the breakout, which is in the direction of the trend. Okay, so this strategy is quite effective because it confirms that the breakout level is strong. So if the price fails to push back inside the box or break below the box, in the case of a buy trade, or break above the box in the case of a sell, that is if the price fails to invalidate that structure, because had it been price happens to close above this box, it means that the structure has been invalidated. We could possibly see a reversal. So long as price in a sell trend, so long as price does not close above, then it's a good sign. In a buy trade, so long as price does not close below, then it's a good sign. Okay, so this indicator is actually effective for traders who want an easy way to identify breakout zones. It's also good for those who prefer scalping, day trading, or intraday trading, and is a good indicator for traders who need a visual guide to make quick trading decisions, and is also a good indicator for traders who want to improve accuracy in breakout trades. So that is it for this guide on the breakout box indicator for MT4. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth Forex trading strategies. Drop a comment below. Have you used this indicator before? What is your favorite breakout trading strategy? Let us discuss, okay? Until next time, happy trading.